equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, disconnect your Dyson V10 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the 2 screws. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle apart to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the handle. This will not only help with the repair but also improve the overall performance of your vacuum. If you find this task too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the handle open, locate the trigger mechanism. You will see a small clip holding the trigger in place. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry the clip away from the trigger. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the clip is removed, you can easily take out the old trigger. Before installing the new trigger, check for any signs of wear or damage in the surrounding area. If everything looks good, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Push it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is secure. Reattach the clip to hold the trigger in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Now, it's time to reassemble the handle. Carefully align the 2 halves of the handle and press them together. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. Once the handle is back together, give it a quick test to ensure the trigger is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, clean the exterior of your Dyson V10 to keep it looking brand new. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your vacuum and ensure optimal performance. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us. We are here to help you with all your Dyson needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.